You can't have artificial intelligence without actual intelligence. That is how Reddit's CEO Steve Hoffman kicked off their Q2 earnings in relation to their growing user base and endless stream of human-generated content. What's up, guys? Reddit stock is red hot right now, up 60% since those Q2 earnings. Whether you own the stock, thinking about buying in, or just following the name, here are a couple of game notes as to why we're seeing such a move for the stock and the potential future for Reddit. Number one, the stock sitting at about $240 per share. It is at an all-time high. The company's market cap is $45 billion. It is important to keep in mind that Reddit is still a relatively new stock, only about a year and a half old, and has been pretty volatile since its IPO. Number two, and one of the main catalysts behind the breakout we're seeing, is the Q2 earnings report. They beat on revenue by 17%, coming in at $500 million versus the $426 million that Wall Street expected. They also beat on earnings per share, coming in at 45 cents versus 19 cents. One of the key takeaways here, though, is the fact that they reported revenue growth by 78% this quarter, one of the highest growth rates we've seen since going public. Number three, monetization. Where's all the money coming from? 93% of Reddit's revenue comes from advertising. This segment of the revenue grew by 84% this quarter, up to $465 million of that $500 million. The other section is data monetization. That grew by about 24%, and this comes from deals with companies like Google and OpenAI to allow their large language models to scrape Reddit's massive database of human-generated content. Number four, and the category you should be most excited for, is product development. Let's split this into two buckets. There's advertiser and user. On the advertiser side, it's all about getting advertisers new AI tools to run more effective and efficient campaigns. Things like ad placement, auto-targeting, and format optimization, as well as community intelligence to help creative make decisions. On the user side, they're developing real-time personalization, smarter community discovery, as well as their search and answers features. Last thing, and this is where it can all go wrong for Reddit, the risks. They are getting a lot of traffic from Google. If that were to change, that poses a huge threat to their business. And I'll also say AI in general. They need to play their cards exactly right here, as AI is going to disrupt not only the way we interact with social media, but the way we interact with the internet as a whole. Thank you guys for tuning in and being part of one of the best tech and investing communities. Let us know your thoughts as always. Be good.